Alright guys, this is gonna be a short and quick one. We're in the middle of like 3 different videos that have been in the works.
And I'm tired of this shit.
Yeah, so he's gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna get my hands dirty in this one. We've noticed this since I got my truck. If you look at it straight on, here, get a little more straight.
You can no, you can tell.
You can tell.
You can so tell it's crooked.
Yeah, it's crooked. If we take the tape measure, if we just kind of put that at the top of the tire, it's like 3.5 inch. We go to the driver's side, which is the higher side, and it's 4.5 inch. So there's about an inch difference right there, right? So
Tape measure fell apart.
oh my god. We've got a very good idea what it is, probably just torsion bars. And we've never really done any suspension stuff with my truck other than shocks. And when we did the shocks, we didn't notice anything weird about the shock towers. But I did see on Facebook some guy had a gnarly lean on his truck, and he went and looked at his shock tower, and it was all split up. Like, it was like shearing from the frame. So we're just gonna look in here real quick and make sure that's not happening. That looks fine. Are you able to see it? Yeah, that looks fine.
Looks alright.
Just to be extra sure, I'll look at the bottom area of it too. Yeah, none of this stuff looks out of whack. It's gotta be just a torsion.
Do you think the torsion bars like work themselves out?
I'm wondering if someone was just doing a bad alignment job.
Is this gonna mess with your alignment?
Not terribly, but my alignment isn't that great anyway. Come on, baby. So if you didn't know, your torsion bars on your front suspension, they're the spring basically. Like through torsion instead of compression. And the amount of twist, he just almost ate it.
Dude.
The amount of twist pressure that you set through your torsion bar is what gives it the front spring action. That's them right there. That's where you adjust them. We're gonna measure how far it's coming out. So, 1.7 or 9/16 or so. This one is over 2 inches out. So this confirms that that extra lift on the, or that not extra lift on the passenger side, that extra drop on the passenger side is because the torsion bars are not set to the same level. My truck does have a little bit of a rake to it, and what I mean by that is the rear end is a little bit higher than the front. I don't mind that, but I don't want it to be as severe as it is on the passenger side. I'm gonna tighten up the adjustment nuts on the passenger side to level it out with the driver's side. And then it should be better, it should ride better. Everything about it should be better.
Heck yeah.
It's got a lock nut, so when you're going to adjust it, you break that lock nut free, do your adjustments, lock her back down. Just to be very precise, we're at 2 3/16. So that's what I'm gonna adjust this to.
I just needed C-Boys to wake me up.
Oh, dude, the cleanup on these videos must
Bro,
be
it's
atrocious. I need to take it out about an entire ½ inch. Damn it, it's not a 17. I think it's an 18.
You think it's an 18?
I think it's an 18.
A moron.
Yeah, I'm a freaking idiot. It is a 19. Remember that, guys.
We
Can you
gotta
actually
get...
grab me a rag? I want to clean some of this goop off. The underside of my truck is still nasty. When I first drove it home, it was leaking like crazy from the oil pan, and it just flung up all over the underside of the truck. And I haven't cleaned it yet. Not going to deep clean it right now either. I'm just gonna pass paper towel over it. I might have to go at this with a scraper.
Ew.
Tightening the adjustment nut is gonna raise the truck. Loosening it is gonna lower the truck. I'm pretty sure you can get in the front like 3 inches of drop, or 4 inches of drop even, just by backing that nut all the way out. And then if you want even more adjustment just out of the torsion bars, you can actually take them all the way out and re-index them. And that means you literally rotate the whole thing and put it back into the suspension assembly. We're not doing all that. It's kind of tight quarters in here when you get your wrench in there. Just to give you all a better look at what I'm doing, I've got this nut broken off, and then that nut above it is your actual adjustment nut. So you get about that much of a turn at a time. So I'm gonna do that until it's moved upward about a ½ inch. Once we get this where we want it, we're gonna drop the truck back down. Before you say it's all said and done, you wanna at least roll the truck forward and back a little bit. Let it settle.
It's important that right after you do this job, you have to take your truck to a racetrack and redline it for 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's the only way your torsion bars will settle.
Yeah.
Is if you throw a rod through the block. Now that my nuts are measuring the same on both sides of that adjustment rod.
Now that your nuts are both measuring the same?
On the rod. I'm gonna go ahead and lock that lock nut down, and we're gonna drop the truck. I told y'all this is gonna be a quick one. Damn, bro, I wish I had two 19s. It'd make locking this down definitely easier. All right, let's put this girl on the ground.
Dude, the innuendos this video.
That's how you can tell we're in a better mood.
Yeah.
Unrelated. You might remember when we were doing stuff on the interior of my truck, we broke a lot of the door card clips, and the ones I ordered that said they were for 90s Nissan were very much wrong. If you get some for like an early 2000s Dodge, these are identical. This was like a 50 piece from Amazon, it was like $8.
Oh, dude, that leveled you out great. Freaking torsion bars, man. Who would have thunk?
Obviously, we need to move the truck around back and forth before we go ahead and call this done. Just for shits and gigs, I'm gonna do the measurement test again.
Measure from your rim.
So from the rim to the fender, in the middle of the wheel,
10 and a quarter? I bet this would be 10 and 3/16.
This one's about 10 and a quarter.
Heck yeah.
The other side's a little higher, but I bet it's gonna settle that 1/8 of an inch down.
Yep.
And be pretty much the same. It looks so much higher. We haven't moved it around yet, we're gonna do that in a minute, but I think we may have a clue as to why someone might have cranked that torsion bar so loose. If we look at this wheel, that might be like 2 or 3 degrees of positive camber.
I think they both have a little bit of positive camber, because the torsion bar is probably raised too much.
Before we move this thing around, I don't like that positive camber. So to try to combat that, instead of what the last person did, which is apparently just crank one side super loose, I'm gonna loosen both, about 1/4 inch. Y'all already know how to do this now. So I'm doing the opposite, I'm loosening both.
Yup.
All right, so truck's back on the ground. It took a lot of finagling to get it kind of where I wanted, but it's even. And I settled on 1 11/16 inch of threads coming out on each torsion bar adjustment.
Yeah, we definitely still have a little bit of camber on
positive camber. I don't know what that is about. So if you guys know, let us know in the comments. I do need to get an alignment on this thing at some point. So I'll probably do that soon, and hopefully that.
Yeah. Hold up.
Hey, knock knock. Hey, we're here for the meetup.
Listen, from my perspective, he told me there's a meetup. We came here.
You didn't think it was weird that it's a house?
Dude,
This isn't like a parking lot.
He said that
there's nothing weird about this to you.
From my perspective, I come in and I see a workshop.
I mean, there's no signs or
Your name
anything that
was-
says Walker.
Yo, put that down, dude.
He's been dying to get a ride in the truck. It would make it. You know, it would be. Huge.
I mean, it's up to Luke.
Can
We're
you?
already here.
Is there a way to like wipe his brain so y'all just don't come back?
We will not come back.
You'll make sure.
We will not come
Next
back.
time we're calling the cop.
Do you want to ride in the truck? We're not gonna come back.
All right, you guys gotta sit. You guys gotta sit in the back though. No back seat. This is insane, Luke. What are we doing, dude?
Oh, sorry.
My bad.
Dude, what? Yo, what are you doing?
Oh, did was my? I'm sorry.
There's a seat back there.
There's a seat.
Oh, I didn't.
Pull down.
Oh, my bad.
Thank you guys so much.
Dude,
You have no idea how much this means to me.
Oh my, listen to that.
Do you hear that?
I guess you're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm closing the garage. Don't touch anything.
I want to touch something.
Don't
so
do not touch anything.
Just stay over there.
Hey Jackson.
Just stop
nope,
touching.
nope.
It doesn't work.
This is really weird. Okay.
When I get a Hardbody, I really want you guys to rate it on your YouTube channel.
You gonna what? Have you been like looking at them?
No, we're literally witnessing it right now. Yeah. Oh my god!
Is this awesome or what, right? Thank you guys again. Seriously, this is.
Dude.
It's a good ride, right, Jackson?
I love this thing.
Yeah. And thank you again. Say thank you to Hardbody, right, Jackson?
Dude,
Thank you, Hardbody.
This isn't a thing that we do.
Listen to me right now. Do you want us to get out of the truck or not?
I would love to get out of the truck.
Then why would
right
you
now.
welcome us? You're bait and switching us, and I don't like it. You're sitting in the back seat right now, letting him ride. What do you mean? So is it cool or not cool? I mean, we can get out or we can stay in here. I don't understand. But flip flopping is making me feel guilty. I don't know. I don't want to feel.
You were making us feel guilty.
How?
We literally were
How?
just filming a video, and you guys pulled up on us out of nowhere with a fucking IP address.
This is his big day. He's meeting Team Hardbody, and you guys are gonna make him
Team
cry.
Hard? What the f is Team Hardbody?
I'm gonna pitch something here. Sunday afternoon beers.
I do that, but I don't want to do that with you.
What are y'all's names? What's my name?
Walker.
No!
Seriously, guys, thank you so much. I mean, this is awesome.
Yo, just go back.
man.
Just go back to the garage.
Go back.
Yeah. Please.
No Sunday beers?
I'm getting. I'm getting uncomfortable now. We got to make sure that this doesn't happen again. So I guess at this point,
What do we do about this?
What a relaxing Sunday drive.
Jackson, shut up, dude.
Please don't talk to me
Your
that
words don't
way.
hurt me, Luke.
That is Walker.
We're best friends, right?
This is easily the strangest experience of my life. WRX.
R2.
That's a sick WRX.
WRX, Owen.
See, that's the only cool thing you've done so far is like the WRX. The rest of this has been fucking weird, man.
Back to home base,
chill
baby.
out, yo.
Back to
What?
home base.
Woo!
We
This is
made
not
it.
your home base.
Don't come back here, dude.
Can't believe you guys are only a 12-hour drive, too.
You guys drove 12
What?
hours?
We came from Miami.
Miami? Can you get out, dude?
Let's get out. Let's get out. We're
You
done.
guys have
We're done.
been-
We're done.
Lock the doors and come here. Yeah, lock that door. Y'all, just stay there for just a second, please.
Dude, I'm so glad I closed the garage.
Yeah, this has been really, like, what do we do about this? Just kidding. That's the end of this video. This is all a bit.
Came all the way around.
What the f? This is our buddy Jackson. This is our buddy Owen. We were just making some little funny memes, funny jokes. You guys should totally like this video because we're funny and
Our wild bodies are hard.
our wild bodies are hard.
And
Yeah.
just to conclude what the video is actually about, the truck did just drive great.
Yeah,
It felt really good. And it's very even now. It doesn't feel like it's off kilter to the passenger side.
Yeah.
So, you know, play with your torsion bars. Once I get in alignment, we'll let y'all know what the camber stuff was. But
Sweet.
that'll be it for this one. These guys are about to help us out with the sub builds.
Hell yeah.
Review. So.
Yeah.
Walker,
That's not-
Walker, your horn's not working.
Dude.
Don't break.
I can't break.
Classic hard bodies. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Shit's all
You, dude.
I will fucking kill you. And Hardbody,
You gonna kill me?
down with you.
You gonna kill me?
Are we all
You
getting
gonna kill me?
along? Justin, when we get
Alright.
back and we're like hanging out, you guys are gonna love me.
Looking for the hoochie daddies.
We were hanging out with DJ Khaled yesterday.
What?
Oh, are you serious? This
That's, yeah, man.
We're gonna dump the car and burn it.